So hello everyone, no? So we're going to discuss now about the ellipse of the conic sections. So an ellipse is a set of all points in a plane such that the sum of the distance from 2 points called foci is a constant. So when you go from point F to any point on the ellipse and go on to the point G, you will always travel the same distance. So the two fixed points are called the foci, plural or focus of the ellipse. So the midpoint of the line segment joining the foci is called the centre of the ellipse. The line segment through the foci of the ellipse is called the major axis, and the line segment through the center and perpendicular to the major axis is called the minor axis. So the endpoints of the major axis are called vertices of the ellipse. So we denote the length of the major axis by 2a, the length of the minor axis by 2b, and the distance between the foci by 2c. Thus, the length of the semi-minor axis is a, and the semi-minor axis is b. So the relationship between the semi-minor axis and the distance of the focus from the center of the ellipse. Take a point P and add 1 and the major axis. Sum of the distances of the point P to the foci is FP plus GP is equal to FO plus OP plus GP. Since the FP and FO plus OP is equal to, so na-cancel lang C na, no? A muna, illustration answer is 2A. Take a point Q at one end of the minor axis. Sum of the distance from the point Q to the foci is FQ and DQ. No? So ano siya ng illustration din sa pagkuha. Since both P and Q lies on the ellipse, by the definition of ellipse, we have 2 squared of b squared plus c squared is equal to 2e, or e squared is equal to b squared plus c squared. So in centricity, so of an ellipse is the ratio of the distances from the center of the ellipse to one of the foci and one of the vertices of the ellipse. Centricity is denoted by this example: E is equal to C over A. Then since the focus at the distance of C from center, in terms of eccentricity, the focus is at the distance of EE from the center. So standard equation of an ellipse. The equation of an ellipse is simplest. If the center of the ellipse is at the origin and the foci are on the x-axis or y-axis. So muna siyang illustration. So tas pa kami. So we will derive the equation for the ellipse shown above in the figure with foci on the x-axis. Let F and G be the foci and O be the midpoint of the line segment HG. Let be the origin and the line from O through G be the positive x-axis and that through F as negative x-axis. Let the coordinates of F be negative C and 0 and G be C and 0. Let P, X and Y be any point of the ellipse such the sum of the distance from the P to the foci B 2A is given to the F PF plus PG is equal to 2A. So using the distance formula, we have square root of quantity x plus c, quantity squared plus y squared plus square root of x minus c, quantity squared plus y squared is equal to 2A. Or mo na siya, no? So squaring both sides, we get x plus c, quantity squared plus, so na-cancel ang y squared is equal to 4a squared plus x minus c, quantity squared plus, so ano to, naka-cancel kaya po ng y squared minus 4a squared of x minus c, quantity squared plus y squared. Square of binomials, so cancel na siya, no? Muna come out of answer na negative 4xc is equal to 4a squared minus 4a squared of x minus c, quantity squared plus y squared. So forward tanaw. So from the standard equations of the ellipse, we have the following observations. So ellipse is symmetric with respect to both the coordinate axis. Since if x and y is a point of the ellipse, then x and y and negative x and negative y are also points on the ellipse. Number 2, the foci always lie on the major axis, and the major axis can be determined by finding the intercepts of the axis of symmetry. That is, the major axis is along the x-axis if the coefficient of the x squared has larger denominator, and it's along the y-axis if the coefficient of y squared has the larger denominator. So that's all for the report about the ellipse. Thank you and God bless.